What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. If you're stuck in the loading screen much like I am here in Spectre Divide, then I do have info as to why this is happening. The tutorial you have to play as well as the actual servers you connect to are the same thing. You need to download some stuff from the game servers, and currently they are super overloaded with everyone playing the game. Unfortunately, they've even been possibly taken offline completely. Do join the Discord, which you'll find linked in the bottom right of the main menu to find out when this issue is solved. Now, assuming the servers aren't currently down and you're watching this sometime in the future, hit Alt and F4 to exit out of the game forcefully, then inside of Steam, right-click Spectre Divide, choose Properties, and under Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. It's a super small game, it'll take 20 or 30 seconds to verify, download any missing files, and you should be able to launch straight back into the game. But for now, at the time of release, it's definitely the servers being offline, you're not alone. Anyways, that's it, it's a super quick update guide. Hopefully you found this useful. Thank you for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.